Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Acura RDX oil life. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. Resetting your oil life indicator is a simple yet vital task after an oil change. It helps your RDX accurately track its maintenance schedule, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your engine. Let's get started with the steps. To begin, turn your Acura RDX's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up the dashboard display, allowing you to access the necessary menus. Next, find the Info or SEL/Reset button on your steering wheel or instrument cluster. This button is your primary tool for navigating through the vehicle settings. Now, use the Info or arrow buttons to scroll through the display until you highlight vehicle settings. Press the SEL/Reset button to select it. From there, navigate to Maintenance Info and select it again. You should now see the current oil life percentage displayed on your multi-information display, ready for the reset process. With the oil life display visible, use the Info or arrow buttons to highlight Reset. Then, press and hold the SEL/Reset button for about 10 seconds until the oil life percentage changes to 100%. This confirms the reset. Turn the ignition off, then start the engine to verify the indicator is gone. And before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.